All right, you're welcome back. Now still the Good Morning NAIJA show. Now you see the watch on top Wazobia TV. Any other TV is a counterfeit, and the Good Morning NAIJA show. Now the show where you need to go body with every day from Monday to Friday, 6:30. Waka go reach 9. We're not going to stop to tell you. Today we get one Kajat person inside the studio. Like we tell you for the beginning of the show, this person, a person we go talk about our election fully. Because I know say plenty people don't come outside, don't they talk say we don't ready, we never ready. People don't even they fear on top the matter. So we decide to bring this Kajat person come inside our studio. And the person where we get for inside the studio today, him a Nigerian professor of political economy and even management expert, 9B, and also a fellow of the Institute of Management Consultants for inside Nigeria. Now, former presidential candidate, in get passion for the dignity of the human person and also in get the spirit of enterprise for inside them. Him now the founder of Center for Value in Leadership, CVL, and also the founder of African Democratic Congress Party. Him na professor for inside Lagos Business School, yes, one of the schools where I attend, beautiful schools. And also he don't serve for inside senior position for inside government, na advisor to the president of Nigeria. Plenty things. Plenty things. Now this correct.
Plenty feathers in the cap.
CEO for inside Volkswagen of Nigeria, and also for inside academics in Chukant for inside them. I beg, make una join me as we welcome Patrick Okedinachi Utomi.
Good morning, yes. Prof. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. That's my name. Hard for your mouth.
But she managed it. I tell you. Nakam, join now. Thank you very much, Prof. We really appreciate that you take time out from your busy schedule. Come join us for inside the studios this morning. Now, very quickly, make we get into the matter of the day. We know say elections, all things being equal. February 14, now it will go down. You know, the fate of Nigeria is going to be decided come February 14. Now, a lot of Nigerians, they concerned. People heart, they caught of fear, they everywhere. People just, they say, hey. We don't know waiting go happen for this February 14, no waiting they happen. Prof, if you say these people Nigerians get valid reasons, then get genuine reasons to they afraid, I mean, they just get misplaced fear. Fear we don't get any base.
Sometimes the fear too much pass as it's supposed to be. But say then get to worry, that one not true. Many people never collect their PVC, and then they call them PVC.
Yeah, PVC.
People never collect them. So then they worry everywhere. Even civil society people then go jam body for Abuja yesterday, follow INEC, say, look, we're not ready, waiting, we'll go do this thing. But the kind of situation where we there not be easy one. If INEC say, okay, true, we're not ready, make we postpone them, that one will cause your own wahala. If INEC say, okay, no, we fit do the thing. If you look all the places where things never be as they're supposed to be, people will want Dabaru things, fit say, okay, INEC not ready, we will be government. We get constitutional provision, the thing go up 6 months because government maybe then they fear to say they go lose election. So then go say we move this thing. So no be easy position with the inside. But I get to look what if you do. I get one small pikin in those days whenever in Papa they tell workers, they say them put more men on the job. Maybe we will tell INEC put more men on the job. Say whatever they fit do so that they go ready by February 14, made them try. Even though, as we look at, they don't go ready. But maybe they feel ready reached where we will feel manage for February 14.
Sorry, sir. Today we read for inside newspaper talk say INEC the one Saturday train about 750,000 people, and plenty of people going to come outside talk say why now? Why you not educate them since? Why you not train them since? What do you take about those particular ones?
Well, make we pray say then get special strategy where they go take educate them for this period, because if we just say they don't know what they do, now we say we're not supposed to get them there. But for my own small wisdom, therefore don't begin this one since. But however, for my village, they say anytime a person wake up, now be morning.
All right, I'm going to talk about the two major things where they happen for Nigeria. Like yesterday, I see a group of people that sit down, they talk about this election, and they talk about, say, we just get two major parties where the whole world they hear about. Some people don't even know, say, we get female presidential candidates. And then they wonder why we say two parties just they dominate over the other eight political parties. So now, how you see this entire policy and what you say other parties will do?
This is something where I don't fight for because now when you get two party way strong, now election will be serious election. You know, before the party will be ruling party, you know, say you go just fit do boo yaya. You know, just get all this kind of party, then they run for different direction. Everybody they cause each other trouble, then they do as they like. So because of him, when we finished the election of 2007, if you remember, some of them are small. Every day, now so Buhari go sit down for my right, Atiku go sit down for my left. I go to speak on behalf of the presidential candidates, saying now so we're supposed to go make we all begin to come together so that our country will make progress. And gradual by gradual, that movement now don't become APC, and it's good for Nigeria like that. As we did now, government they shit for in pants because the like say they go lose this election.
Really?
The way they look the thing, be like say. So, but if I say we don't get two strong parties, they go just sit down where they do as they do before. So it's good for Nigeria. Make we get two party way strong. Not be say we go drive every other party come out. People get special issues where they feel they raise for small party and all of that. That one good for democracy. But we need to concentrate for two big party. So if they drive PDP come out this time, for example, then they go back, go do homework. Then they go come fight again. Maybe the next time they will remove APC. Now so government going to be for the good of the people. But if not only one party just sit down there, anything they like, then do. We're not going to make progress.
All right, so still on top of this issue of PVC collection, we've been the get report say for Nigeria, Obodo Nigeria, saying only 40% of Nigerians don't collect PVC. With
7 million.
With highest the number of collection for inside northern regions.
Yeah.
Now, waiting this one, they tell us about how these elections go happen. It means that some people go there disenfranchised on top of this matter. If people don't get it.
See, all of us supposed to go. Me, I don't go tired too. But all of us supposed to go sit down there. Say, make una give us our PVC. If we all do like that, we'll get our PVC. Make we not begin look and say one region collect pass another region. I don't think say then deliberately go say make we give this region, no give that region. No, I don't think say that. Nah, so.
Now, we'll talk about one of the major concerns for plenty Nigerians, mouth security. Now, we know say recently for inside Baga, one kind of badness happened where they kill almost 1,000 people. But now the military don't come outside talk say
now only
it not reach
1,000,
say now only 150. Now, with the kind of things where they happen, plenty things. Now they don't go Yegun house, go attack. They don't go this. You go hear about this attack, that
Burning
one.
of bus,
You feel say
PDP bus
burning
for
of
just
PDP
burning for
a lot of things. You feel say we don't really ready, especially with this kind of security wahala where we they get for Nigeria.
Wahala plenty. But maybe we begin for Baga. Whether not 10,000 people then kill on a one life.
Very important.
Too much. Even if only one they kill. Because look at this way. France then kill 17 people go.
For inside
The whole world descend for Paris. President, everybody they match it. This one, it done too much. We no go agree. Nigeria. Every day, 500, 200, 100. Will not be person, not be the same God will create us, now create the Frenchman. So this business say not be so many people or this people. Make we stop that one. Any one Nigerian will die. It reduce all of us. So we need to put everything where we fit do, make it be say no Nigerian go they die anyhow. Make go look the I see for news when I read say Legatum report. You know say Nigeria. You get what they call misery index. Nigeria is there on top of the misery index, one of the most terrible places where man feel live for this world. Nigeria. How we live our country be like that? Now because of this, young people supposed to put head inside what they happen for country, organize election, push all these here people come out, put themselves, make them repair their country. Not be so country supposed to do.
That's not the solution, especially for the security wahala what we get.
That's one too.
Okay.
All right, Prof. We know say they do better work on top mentoring of youth. For inside your foundation, maybe Center for Values and Leadership, where they inculcate leadership values and core values where we need to get for better leaders for inside Nigeria. Now, how you feel say youths for the country right about now, weeks before this election, how you feel say we fit to empower ourselves and demonstrate our willingness to take Nigeria future inside our hand, and even on election day, what do youth fit to do?
See, they follow you to drag all kinds of things for Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and all of this. You to get the kind power where we no get for our time to connect each other. But instead of to they talk the truth of how they go come together and make their country better, then they abuse each other. This person say, that person say, You know, no be so they're supposed to do am. If youth know how to jam body proper, they will use all these tools, then fit do the thing where we make the kinds of things where government must do, make it come out. See, when they talk economy, naira they fall, naira they go, this they go, this they. All of these things happen because Nigerian people no chook eye inside when they happen. People with the government, we don't know what they do or we no care. Just squander Nigerian money anyhow. This money, people like us, for the last 15 years, we don't they beg them, they shout, this oil price, it go crash, it go spoil. Make una no use past $40, take make budget, I beg. Make una take the remaining money, save and well. So that if trouble come, una go use them, they squander the whole thing. Governors every day, Dubai, president, 10 aeroplane, every. See Nigeria, see us we there, people they laugh us now. So, youth, now make una understand how government is supposed to behave. Una use una power, challenge and say, look, on our future, on our spoil. All that aeroplane una they buy, stop her now. All this thing una they do. Government will begin to behave better. That's why Nigeria go good. But to say we just sit down, Senate president to go spend billion, everybody go see the Nigerian Senate. If it was when I soldier time, I for just cancel the entire National Assembly. Because they don't contribute anything. Look at when it cost Nigeria.
Okay.
You know, so, but other countries get National Assembly. Even the US Congress, they know they cost us the kind of money we are National Assembly. They cost. Then they cost the kind of money we are National Assembly, they cost us for one person. So now the kind of thing where young people are supposed to educate themselves to understand proper and to say, no, be so it's supposed to be. Look Ghana, look Mauritius. All of us no be the same. See Mauritius now they make progress pass for Africa in terms of they say AGOA, create jobs, do this, do that. How much them assembly people they pay them?
Yeah.
So young people are supposed to educate themselves and they're supposed to be very active. The time we were at university, anything will happen for Nigeria where we not like. Even say army dey power before army finish, we don't dey for street they demonstrate. But today.
All right, for those of now, just a busting, we still get Professor inside the studio, Professor Utomi, and we talk about the election where go shele February 14th. We don't talk plenty things about the election security matter and all other things that we don't talk. But now I really need to ask you before you come up from inside the studio because I know the time not today outside. Now a lot of people don't come outside talk say this election we never ready reach. Time for us to postpone them. I bet February 14 too close. We need to postpone now because PVC, security, all of the above. And also, what do you feel about this postponement of the election and what will be your expectation from February 14th election?
I think the first thing we need to do, we need to bring INEC people, make them tell us true. No, look, this no be matter of the say, true. Because now when we hear from the horse in mouth, we go no say they're not ready. Even though we get evidence, as people know, if we collect their PVC and all of that. If we all agree, say, make we postpone them by 1 month, just 1 month, then everybody agree, we fit do that one. But if it will provide opportunity for people who want cause kata to take, put their eye inside the matter, it better say, make we just cuckoo, say, everything possible, make we do on that day, do and well.
Okay.
But I know say the kind of signal we they see, like say they're not so ready. And if civil society don't do that kind of meeting, and as then they suggest 1 month postponement so that INEC go ready proper, maybe we feel agree for that one. So we will do it well.
Thank you very much.
Wonderful time where we get with you. Really, I really appreciate it.
We talk more with you, but time not be on our side, not be there our friend. But we go call you. We go call you much later on top the show as your time go permit. We could come talk more on top everything we concern me Obodo NAIJA because Nigeria now we get them. Now I had the day to make them great. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Come to our studios this morning.